Changing the language in the Taobao app. So in this video, I will show you how to switch from Chinese to English. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Open your Taobao app and make sure that you are logged in. Step 2. Tap the Me button at the bottom right, and this is the sign. And then tap the gear icon on the top right corner to open settings. Step 3. Scroll down until you find the language. And then, step 4, if English is supported directly, you can select English. But if not, you can do a workaround. You can use Google Translate's tap to translate feature or run Taobao inside the Chrome or browser, which that you can auto-translate. Step 5. Refresh the app or page after translating, and you will now see an English version of the interface, making it easier to navigate. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.